In this video, I am going to show you a easiest way to make money online that other people are already using to make over 500k dollar, and it is extremely simple strategy that anyone can use and make money for themselves. And I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can learn everything right after watching this video and implement each and everything to make money for yourself. So watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any crucial information that I'm going to provide you in this video. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, and if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. Now firstly, I want to show you a proof. Like as you can see in my screen, this person have made over 18,564 sales, and one sale has made him $42.99, and it is a digital product. As you can see here, digital download. Now if you calculate these sales, then this person have easily made over $612,000 by just selling these simple pages that are meant to print and color by the people who buys this product. Similarly, you can see here is the another proof that is of this again coloring page, which cost like $4.99, and the total sale is $12,017. Now if you calculate it, then it is like $59,000 that this person have made. Now I'm going to show you how you can exactly get this kind of pages in order to sell in this specific site that has a huge volume of traffic. Now you don't need to do anything by yourself, okay? You just need to follow everything that I'm going to show you in a step-by-step process, and you are done. And you don't even need to create this kind of books or pages by yourself. I'll show you the right way, the perfect way that you can get these kind of things to sell, okay? So the first thing that you need to do is you need to visit to a site that is called etsy.com, etsy.com, and this is a type of marketplace where people can sell their product and purchase their product. Now if I show you the traffic that this site actually gets in real time, you can see here there is like 377 million monthly visits in this site, and the average visit duration is 5 minutes and 57 seconds. Similarly, the top visited country is United States, and another is United Kingdom, okay? So you can easily sell a proven type of product in this specific site by creating your own store inside Etsy, and I'm going to cover each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can actually do it right now today. Now in order to start to make money online with this site, firstly you need to sign in to this etsy.com. Just click on this sign in, and you can sign up with your Google or Facebook or Apple, whatever you have. You can sign up in Etsy in a simple way. So let's just click on this continue with Google and select the email address that you want to use to sign up to etsy.com. So now it is this much simple to sign up to etsy.com. As you can see here, I have already signed up to Etsy. Now just hover your mouse over your ear, which says your account, and then click on here and click on this sale on Etsy. Now once you see this kind of interface, then just scroll below and click on this open your Etsy shop. Now just click on this let's do this. Now you'll see this kind of interface. Now you can fill out this question, or you can click on this skip this question. Again, you can scroll below and skip this question and click on start your shop. Now you'll see somewhat this kind of interface. Once you see this kind of interface, then make sure the language is English, and shop country you can select United States, because the traffic from United States purchase more in Etsy. As you can see, high volume traffic is from United States, so just select United States. And once you do this much, then just click on save and continue. Now you'll see this kind of interface where you need to give your shop a name. Now you can select a beautiful name for your shop, but remember, you are going to sell coloring pages and coloring books, so you can create a similar type of name that is relatable to those products. So as you can see here, I have kept a name Amazing Color. Now once you give this kind of interesting name to your shop, then you just can click on save and continue. Now you'll see this kind of interface where you need to create a listing. Now I will guide you in a step-by-step process, which is extremely simple to create your own listing that you can sell. Now as you can see in the screen, you firstly need to add a photo. Now you can replace the photo that you have uploaded right now. Okay, so you don't need to worry what type of photo you need to upload. So firstly, what you can do is just go to Google and just type coloring page template and go to image and make sure to select this large and select a plain image like this one. Okay, just click on it and see if it is not good, then check out other and make sure the resolution is a little bit high, like above 2000. Okay, but it is only 1035, so let's check on another if it is of, so it is also of 1035 only. So make sure the image resolution is over 2000 if possible. Okay, and then just click on save image, and once you do that much, then again return to your create a listing in Etsy and click on add a photo. Now let's go to desktop and click on the image that we have saved recently and click on open, and this image will be uploaded. So as I have previously told you, listing looks best with photos at least 2000 pixel wide. Okay, so it is not of 2000 pixel, that's why it is saying it. You can search on Google for more images in order to make this listing look best. Okay, but I don't have that much time for now to search that image, so you can do it by yourself. And once you upload your image, then scroll below and you can also upload a video if you want, but it is optional. Okay, you don't need to upload any video about the product, but if you can, then you should. Now it's time for you to put the title for your product. So now in order to put the title, firstly what you need to do is you need to again visit to etsy.com and then type coloring pages in the search bar. Okay, once you type this, then you will see lots of listing at here. Now you can check on all the titles that other people's are already using, like 1000 flower mandala digital coloring heaven present annual 2022. Just read their title and description so that you can have a proper idea on what you need to actually write your title to make it more enticing for people who want to purchase this kind of product. Like here you can see giant coloring in seat, new home sweet home coloring book. You can scroll below and see lots of title. As you can see here, pretty floral coloring pages. Okay, let's click on this one and you can take a little bit inspiration from this title, but for now I am just copying their title as it is, but I would suggest you to not do so. Okay, don't directly copy their title, instead make something a little bit different from the title that you have already seen in other people who have listed their product, and he or she have already made 322 sales. Okay, but the price is a little bit low. However, you can put this kind of title. So now after putting the title, what you need to do is about this listing, who made it, and click on I did. Okay, don't worry about these things. Okay, because I am going to give you a way where you will make your own unique product. Okay, where you will get your own unique product. You are not going to copy anyone else product. So just about this listing, select I did, and what is it? A finished product. And when did you make it? You can click on this recently, 2020 2022. And then in category, what you can do is type like coloring, and you can select this coloring in coloring books. You can select this one. So now other things you can see here, they are optional. So scroll below And here you can see in type, you should deselect this physical and select this digital one, because our product is digital, which people can get instant access after buying the product. Now you need to type this description. Now in order to type this description, again you can type following pages and click on some of these listing and check out what they have written in their description and have a proper idea on what description you need to write. Okay, for now I am just copying their description, but never ever copy this description as it is. Okay, just create your own description and type it at here that is closely related to the product. Just explain what type of coloring pages it is, and at the end you will have that idea also on what you need to write this kind of description. Okay, because up to now you don't know yourself what product and which product you are going to put it at here, and once you become that clear, then you will be able to type this kind of description also. Now other things are also optional at here, you can see. So you can ignore these. Okay, you can put these tags, okay, like coloring books, coloring pages, that kind of tags you can write here if you want, but it is okay if you don't write also. Now you can scroll below, and in inventory and pricing you can give at least $5. Okay, just give at least $5 price, because that is okay. People are happy to pay this kind of price for this kind of coloring pages. And similarly in quantity, leave it as it is 1, and in SKU you don't need to do anything, it is also optional. Okay, so don't worry about it. Now you need to upload your digital file. So this digital file means the coloring pages that people will get instant access after purchasing. Okay, so I will show you exactly what digital file you need and how you can get it, but for now I need to show you how you can receive payment. Okay, that is also extremely important. So I am just going to upload a random image. Okay, so this same image for now at here, and you can easily replace these. Okay, so as I told you previously, you can also replace this image here. You can simply click on delete and upload another image at here. Simply again you can also delete this listing, this digital file here, and upload a new file here, so you don't need to worry about this. Okay, but this is the process how you need to upload digital file and your photo. Okay, so don't worry about it. So for now let's just click on save and continue. Now it says great job on your first listing. So now you can either click on add more listing and add more these kind of images. Now here you can see here your listing will look like this, and click on do this latter for now. Okay, so that I can show you how you will get paid. Now just click on do this latter and you will see this kind of interface. So now if you are from any of the countries that is available at here, then you can simply get paid into your own bank account. But what if your country is not available at here? Then I have a solution for that. Okay, this is extremely important, so that's why I wanted to explain this firstly. So first thing what you need to do is you need to select individual. Okay, and you can see how you'll get paid, and these are the some of the payment method that you can get paid with. So now you can scroll below and see if your country is available or not. If it is not, then what you can do is just visit to Google and type Payoneer and sign up to this Payoneer. Now what Payoneer actually does is they will help you to receive your payment no matter if you are from country that is not listed at here. You can receive payment from any country, any place to Payoneer. Okay, because they will give you lots of bank account in USD, Euro, GBP. Okay, so as you can see here, you will receive this kind of information inside Payoneer, and you will receive your fund inside Payoneer, and then from Payoneer you can withdraw your fund to your own country's bank account. Okay, it is as simple as that. So once you create your Payoneer account by clicking on here, which is absolutely free to create, and then you can just find this global payment service inside Payoneer. You can watch a simple tutorial on Payoneer and you will be absolutely clear on what type of information you need to use from Payoneer to receive the fund from Etsy to Payoneer. So as you can see, this service enables you to receive payments from companies worldwide as if you have a local bank account in those countries. So you will have a US bank account where you can receive your payment easily from Etsy if you use Payoneer. Okay, and you can fill out all of the information that you have filled inside Payoneer and you are fine to go. So once you do this much, okay, once you fill all of this information, then you can simply click on save and continue. So now one thing that is still remaining is what photo and digital product that you need to put in your listing. So for that, let's visit at here. So here is the name of our shop. Okay, that is Amazing Color. And then what you can do is again click on save and continue. Now you can just click on here, and now you can again replace your photo and again replace your digital uploads, digital file at here. So now you need your own coloring pages. Now I'll exactly show you how you can get those. For this, first thing what you need to do is you need to visit to a site that is called fiverr.com. And once you visit to fiverr.com, you can just sign up for free in Fiverr and then log into Fiverr and just type in the search bar of Fiverr coloring pages, and just for few amount of cash like $5, $10, $20, $50, you can get, like here you can see 1000 plus coloring pages, coloring book. Okay, and there are lots of this kind of listing where you can hire people to create a coloring pages for you, and you have the right to sell this product in Etsy or in whatever marketplace you want. So just type coloring pages and search for the relevant place where you can order this kind of coloring pages and order it, and then go to Etsy and upload, delete this one and upload that digital file. Now for the image, what you can do is you can either take a screenshot from that coloring pages that you have bought, or what you can do is you can directly upload one of the page in this photo section and complete all the process and set up your billing address and your shop security, which is extremely simple to do, and just publish your first listing inside Etsy. And you can also create more other listing related to coloring pages, coloring book, and related to art sector, so that you can make good amount of money in long term. So guys, altogether this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video added some value to your life, and if it did, then please do like this video, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.